Have you ever wanted to create a list of all of the programs and apps installed on your computer? I guess you could try to do a copy of what you find under apps and features, but that would take forever. There is a simple solution, and the solution is open up Ccleaner, go to Tools, select the Uninstall tool within Ccleaner. Here you see all of your programs and apps listed, and down in the right hand corner you see a little notice that says save to a text file. All you need to do at this point is click that save to a text file. Default comes up as install text. It's up to you to decide where you want to save this. I'm going to make it easy and just put it to the desktop. I'll save it. I can now close Ccleaner. I don't need this anymore. And on my desktop I have a file that was created by Ccleaner called install, and when I open it, voila, I now have a list of all of the programs and apps installed on my computer. Very simple, no knowledge really needed, except the fact this is something Ccleaner can do for you and makes life very easy if you need a listing of all the programs installed on your computer. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.